Hey you all! First of all, I want to thank you everyone who saw my last video, How to Have a Good Day. And I hope you had a good day. Thank you so much. If you haven't seen it already, please check it out. This is also my first video for this channel, Anchita Crazy Girl. So today, I'm going to make another video and it's going to be about types of people on WhatsApp. It's a very trending topic these days, I know. So I want to share my take on this topic with you all. But before that, I'm going to make this video in Hindi and English mix क्योंकि मुझे बहुत लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट आई that they want to see me doing videos in Hindi. Comment below and let me know what do you think about it. Should I do videos in only Hindi or only English or a mix or German, because that would be really fun. So everybody is on WhatsApp these days. Our parents, our cousins, our siblings, our relatives, our friends, our teachers, दूध वाला, newspaper वाला, काम वाली बाई, सब कोई WhatsApp पे. And even though at times we feel really irritated with all the pings that go on, like ping, 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 but we cannot deny that we can live without WhatsApp these days. It's the next thing. But we can definitely categorize certain types of people on WhatsApp, and I'm sure all of us fall into one or the other categories. So here we go. Number one, the admin. Like a boss. Huh? Okay. These are the real people, guys. I mean, they have magical powers. Or so I would like to think, because possibly I am the admin of so many groups. And we do have powers. We can add or delete people. But सबसे ज़्यादा गालियाँ भी admin को ही पड़ती है. Although, what I have observed, these are mostly those people जिन्हें हमेशा से मॉनिटर बनने की आदत रही है स्कूल टाइम से, या तो वो जिंदगी में कभी भी मॉनिटर नहीं बन पाए, इसीलिए आज वो किसी ना किसी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के एडमिन हैं. नंबर 2, द अनस्टेबल इलेक्ट्रॉन. नाउ ये वो लोग हैं जो हमेशा व्हाट्सएप पे होते हैं. आई मीन लिटरली व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर बैठे होते हैं. द मोमेंट यू सेंड देम अ मैसेज दे विल रिप्लाई विद इन अ सेकेंड. They are so enthusiastic that I think the mute button in WhatsApp was invented because of these people. They reply to every single message. Every single message. Number 3, the invisibles. Now these are the people you wonder whether they even exist on WhatsApp or not. They never reply. वो कभी भी किसी मैसेज का एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं करते. हमेशा ऑनलाइन दिखते हैं लेकिन कभी रिप्लाई बैक नहीं करते. But they know everything that is going on in everybody's life. बस साइलेंटली बैठ के सबको जज करते रहते हैं. हाँ मैं जानता हूँ इसकी लाइफ में ये चल रहा है, इसकी लाइफ में वो चल रहा है. So they're almost invisible, but they are omnipresent. Number 4, the forward machine. नाम से ही समझ गए होंगे. Now these are the people who are running the internet, guys, because they are the ones who are flooding all WhatsApp groups with irrelevant pictures and videos. I mean, sometimes you wonder, do they get paid by WhatsApp to do this? Really? Because literally their only job on WhatsApp is to do this. Forward one message from one group to another group. And that's all they do on WhatsApp. And they get so excited when they do this. I mean, इन लोगों को इतना ऑब्सेशन होता है ना फॉरवर्ड मैसेज भेजने का, दैट उनको समझ में नहीं आता है कभी कभी कि कौन से ग्रुप में कौन सा मैसेज भेजना है. और इसीलिए बहुत बार ये लोग फैमिली ग्रुप्स में अश्लील फोटोज भेज देते हैं और फिर बचती है बैन. बट अच्छा होता है, ऐसे होना चाहिए लोगों के साथ. नंबर 5, द इमोजीज. Now these are the people who only reply back with smileys. I mean, you ask them, hey, how are you? So they'll reply back, ding ding. They use all the possible emojis and smileys available on WhatsApp. I mean, sometimes I really doubt their vocabulary skills. Can they read and write? Number 6, the potassium lovers. Confused? I mean the K lovers. Now these people are obsessed with the letter K. And they reply to every text, every post, every message you send them with K. For example, यार पता है आज क्या हुआ? मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ मेरी लड़ाई हो गई. And I think we broke up. K. यार I'm so sorry. I won't be able to make it. I'm having a pain in my head. And मेरा पेट भी दुख रहा है और मेरा मूड भी नहीं कर रहा बाहर जाने का. I think I should go and see a doctor. K. यार मैं ना कल मरने वाली हूँ, तो मैं सोच रही थी मरने से पहले एक बार तुझसे दिल खोल के बात कर लूं. क्या तेरे पास टाइम है? के. It's really annoying, guys. Stop doing that. there are other 25 letters in English language also. Please use them. Number 7, the freshers. Now these are the newly WhatsApping relatives I'm talking about. We all have them. Now these people are new on WhatsApp, so they're trying their hands on WhatsApp, and sometimes it's cute, but most of the time बहुत irritating होता है. They flood our WhatsApp with religious texts and posts, and they want us to appreciate that, read that, and reply back to them. क्या आप लोग खुद भी वो messages पढ़ते हो? And sometimes the messages make no sense at all. I mean, a baby pooping, crying, and wishing everybody good morning. That doesn't make sense. Just send us a good family picture of yours so that I remember you and I don't forget you. Because if you keep sending me such messages, I am going to forget you intentionally. Number 8, the gossip king and queen. Now these are the most interesting people because उनको सब पता रहता है कि किसकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. I mean, if you want to know about anyone, you can actually go to them and ask them and they will know everything. Now, you want to be a little careful here because if they know about everyone, they also know about you. And I don't know, somehow they have this superpower to, hypnotize you and you kind of tell them everything, and the next thing you know that everybody knows what's happening in your life, even if you don't want it to happen that way. Number 9, the one who changes the group name and the group icon. Yes, there is a category of people like these, and maybe I am one of them, but these are the people who are obsessed with changing the group name or the group picture according to every occasion. But I must admit, these are the people because of whom we remember some important days like someone's birthday or someone's anniversary. So, hats off to you guys. Number 10. The ones who always leaves the group. Yes, we all have that one emotional, sentimental, dramatic person who leaves the group for no reason at all sometimes. Number 11. I wish I was Hrithik Roshan because then I could have done this. Now these are the people who are always updated with the latest troll or trends in Bollywood, politics, sports, all the fields. And as soon as a viral news comes out, they'll start forwarding all the trolls, all the messaging on WhatsApp. Sometimes it's really irritating and I feel like coming out of the phone and punching the shit out of that person. बस करो यार, कितना troll करोगे? Life में और कुछ काम नहीं है क्या? Especially those Alia Bhatt jokes. Varun Dhawan says to Alia Bhatt, "Yaar, I lost my Facebook password." Alia Bhatt says, "Don't worry, Google कर लो, वहाँ सब मिल जाता है." So funny! No, it's not funny. Stop sending those stupid, dumb Alia Bhatt jokes. I don't know about Alia Bhatt's sense of humor, but it speaks a lot about your sense of humor. Stop sending them, please. So these were the 11 types of people on WhatsApp I can relate with. I'm sure there must be other categories also. Please comment below and let me know if you know of any other category or if you can relate to what I said. If you are one of them, please let me know, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned for some more, and I wish you a very happy new year. It's gonna be awesome. Bye!